Hi guys, good morning. So karon no, atong kataon ang maybe this time kaya na nag-episode ko. Good morning everyone. Two old friends met again, weighing all their faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How were they to know